I work in the offices to try and figure out how to change solutions in the water. Actually, because this whale is very endangered, critically endangered, to be able to get close to it, you need specific permits. So you have to have a very specific reason. You can't just approach it because there's so few of them that we don't want to risk the whales accidentally dying while people just try and go and look at it. So there's specific permits and distance requirements. And so the photos you see are usually taken under NOAA permits. NOAA is the regulator in the US that does that kind of thing. And they are usually like very professional scientists or photographers or that have very specific reasons. I wish one day there will be enough of them that I won't need a permit to see them.
I really didn't. I did not know that you get to have a permit to watch them because I